Hello everyone, myself Dane Ganesh, lecturer in Moa Education Society's Moa Roa Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the drugs acting on the urinary system, that is diuretics agent or diuretics drugs. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, learner will able to understand definition, classification of diuretics agent, drug profile of diuretics agent, content of lecture, definition, classification of diuretics agent, drug profile of diuretics agent, definition of diuretics agent. Diuretics are the drugs which increase the rate of formation and excretion of urine through the kidney. That agent is called as a diuretics agent. Example: mannitol, chlorothiazide. Classification of diuretics agent. In this first class is osmotic diuretics. Example: mannitol, urea. Next class is carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Example: acetazolamide, methazolamide. Next class is acidifying drugs. Example: ammonium chloride. Next class is mercurial agents. Example: mercaptomarine. Next class is thiazide derivatives. Example: chlorothiazide, chlorothiazidone, hydrochlorothiazide. Next class is miscellaneous compound. In this first subclass is potassium sparing diuretics. Example: triametrine, amiloride. Next class is aldosterone antagonist. Example: spironolactone. Next class is high ceiling diuretics or loop diuretics. Example: furosemide, ethacranic acid. Then we discuss the drug profile of some diuretics agents. First diuretics agent is mannitol. So this is the structure of mannitol. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexahydroxy hexane. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a colorless crystal or white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a sweet in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: it is soluble in water and insoluble in chloroform and ether. Stability and storage condition: it affected by light and air, hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses: it is used as a osmotic diuretics agent. It is used as a diagnostic agent. It is used in treatment of edema. It is used for irrigation of urinary bladder. It is used in treatment of barbiturate poisoning. It is used in treatment of glaucoma. Official preparation: mannitol intravenous infusion. Brand name: osmitrol, isotol. Next diuretic agent is urea. This is the structure of urea. IUPAC name is carbonyl diamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a hygroscopic white crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is a saline in taste and ammonia-like odor. Solubility: it is soluble in water and alcohol. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light, hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses: so it is used as an osmotic diuretics agent. It is used as a diagnostic agent. It is used in treatment of edema. It is used as a topical dermatological product to promote rehydration of the skin. Urea cream, urea injection. Brand name: Morise Serine. Next diuretic agent is furosemide. This structure of furosemide. IUPAC name 4-chloro-2 in the sub bracket furon 2-yl methyl bracket complete amino in bracket complete 5 sulfoamyl benzoic acid. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: it is freely soluble in water and alcohol. Stability and storage condition: It is affected by light and air, hence it should be stored in airtight, light-resistant container. Uses: so it is used as a diuretic agent. It is used in treatment of edema. It is used in treatment of liver cirrhosis. It is used in treatment of hypertension. Official preparation: furosemide injection, furosemide tablet, brand name Lasix, Selenex, Furosenex. Next diuretic agent is hydrochlorothiazide. The structure of hydrochlorothiazide: IUPAC name 6-chloro-1,1-dioxa 3,4-dihydro 2H124 benzothiazide 7-sulfonamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color: it is a white or slightly yellow crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is a tasteless and odorless compound. Solubility: it is insoluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition: it is affected by light and air, hence it should be stored in airtight, light resistant container. Uses: so it is used as a diuretic agent. It is used in management of hypertension. It is used to control cerebral edema. Official preparation: hydrochlorothiazide tablet, brand name Telishort H, Volmu H40, Temcare H. So in this lecture we discuss about the definition, classification of diuretic agent and drug profile of some important diuretic agent. Thank you.